The second paper is the one that is usually under attack, but we have ensured that that attack is thwarted, and that even if you are able to get a few crooks to sit for the paper, they are unable to get the paper back to the children in the examination hall. This is happening in about 0.001%. The annoying thing is that it is taking quite a bit of our time. As far as the Kenya Certificate of Primary Education is concerned, in the inside of the next 2 weeks, the results should be out by that time. Should there be any change for any particular reason, we'll let you know. Like I said, we are on track.